Welcome to part 8 of this video series that describes making a small steam test plant. In this video I'll be completing building the steam plant. There's quite a lot to do to complete the build, but I'll try to keep the video brief. I started completing the build by installing the nozzle for the condenser oil trap vent in the chimney stack. Next, I installed the boiler stop valve on the superheater outlet. I used Loctite 542 to seal the threads and aligned the stop valve so it was vertical. I then installed an adapter that goes from a 1/4 inch male to 3/16 inch female threads. This clip shows me attaching the pressure gauge siphon tube adapter, siphon tube and pressure gauge onto the adapter. This clip shows me installing a short run of 3/16 inch pipe I had made up between the boiler and the superheater inlet. I have a workshop techniques video on making pipes up. I'll put a link to this video in the description below. This clip shows me installing a piece of pipe I had made up that runs between the condenser oil trap vent and the nozzle on the chimney stack. Next, I installed the pipe between the main stop valve and the steam turret. This pipe took some bending, however, I accomplished making the pipe in one go. With all the piping installed, I removed it all and began the process of insulating the pipe lengths with butcher's string. I have a workshop techniques video on insulating pipes. I'll put a link to this video in the description below. This clip shows me wrapping one of the pipes. It's a tedious process, but the finished pipes look very good. This photo shows the pipes with 2 coats of white acrylic paint on them. The acrylic paint soaks into the butcher's string and eventually hardens. This keeps the string in place when the pipes get hot and the superglue holding the string fails. While the acrylic paint was drying on the steam piping, I continued working on the steam plant. This clip shows me installing the end cover on the burner end of the boiler. I had used a high-temperature RTV sealer to seal the end cover. The first part of the clip shows me wiping any excess sealer off with a paper towel. Next, I reinstalled the boiler band to secure the cladding and hide the joint between the end cover and the boiler barrel. I made up the gas piping and tested the burner on the bench. This clip shows the burner firing. I adjusted the nozzle until I got a blue flame that was attached to the burner ceramic. Once this was complete, I marked the nozzle position. I had concerns about lighting the boiler through the stack due to the volumes of the fire tube, smoke box and fire box. To overcome this, I made a keyhole with a cover that I can use to light the burner on the opposite end of the boiler to the burner. This photo shows the keyhole cover in position on the end cover. This photo shows the boiler level glass installed. I have a workshop techniques video on installing level glasses. I'll put a link to this video in the description below. I reinstalled piping on the steam plant and installed the burner arrangement. This completed the build of the steam plant. This clip shows the steam plant on the turntable. I'll end this video here as the next step will be to commission the steam plant. So, that's building of the plant completed. In the next video I'll be test running the steam plant with a steam engine. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you.